Morning to you. A bit mixed, I'm afraid, over the next couple of days. Most of the dry weather will be confined to England and Wales, where it'll be a little bit warmer and certainly a little bit drier than we've seen recently. But Scotland and Northern Ireland probably keep the weather fronts close by, and further outbreaks of rain are possible. Now, the big satellite picture shows this big lump of cloud in central parts of Europe. That's rather threatening, but also some cloud across the United Kingdom that is giving some outbreaks of rain right now. Now, this looks threatening. The good news is that's not moving towards us. That's gently edging away to the east. But this is the bunch of cloud that's giving us some outbreaks of rain right now. Patchy in nature, and there's some more to come for tomorrow as well as the next area of low pressure moves through. But an area of high pressure coming up from the south means that those weather fronts will be steered over Northern Ireland and Scotland, and by the time they straddle the UK, by the time we get to Tuesday and Wednesday, they'll be weakish affairs. And by the time we move towards the end of the week, we start to see that high pressure allow perhaps a more vigorous area of low pressure to arrive later on Friday. That's the one we're watching. We're not really sure exactly where that's going to go, but it does bring with it some quite mild air, and it looks like it's going to warm up across a large part of England and Wales, and somewhat warmer air also meeting Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. Probably fine by middle part of the week, temperatures up to around 25 degrees Celsius, which is 77 in Fahrenheit. Now, the forecast, I think, for the rest of this afternoon gives some outbreaks of rain across many central areas. The rain beginning to move away from Scotland, some brighter conditions moving into Northern Ireland and Western Scotland during the course of the back end of the afternoon, and a top temperature of around 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. Now, through tonight, we'll find that band of cloud and rain continuing its journey into the North Sea, so somewhat drier conditions coming along. The cloud rather reluctant to move away from eastern parts of England for tomorrow, and at the same time we'll find more cloud coming back into Northern Ireland, and particularly across the western side of Scotland for tomorrow. Now, it will be quite a chilly night in the north, 6 degrees in some of the sheltered glens of Scotland, 9 in Northern Ireland, anywhere from 12 to 15 for England and Wales. And tomorrow's forecast keeps a hangback of cloud across the eastern parts of England, but much drier and brighter for many of us. Increasing amounts of cloud, though, moving into Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, some outbreaks of rain here. And also the low cloud returning to the Pembrokeshire coast, Devon and Cornwall in particular, seeing some of that mist and low cloud and some spots of drizzle here and there. Now, by Tuesday, we'll find the weather front right across the central part of the UK. Some outbreaks of patchy rain, but either side of that, some dry weather. The temperatures on the rise as well, 24 degrees, maybe a 25 turning up by the middle part of the week. We will find some outbreaks of rain coming back in by Wednesday, though. That's more persistent across Northern Ireland, the northwest of England, and a large part of Scotland. But it won't stop those temperatures, as I say, and dry conditions on the eastern side of England. By Thursday, while we start to find some outbreaks of rain beginning to move away eastwards into the North Sea, we will find a bit of a mix on Thursday. There will be a weakish weather front coming down from the north, the more persistent showery activity across Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland. And then on Friday, well, a lot of dry weather around. Again, a warm day in the southeast, but more cloud coming in from the west as that breeze freshens. And of course, you can find out more information on our website or CFAX. Bye for now.